Hello everyone. Today we will be considering another important topic of theory of computations in which we are trying to convert an NFA with epsilon to NFA without epsilon. Consider the following example. In this we have four states. Start state is A, final state is D, and we have three epsilon moves, one from A to B, another from B to C, and third from C to D. We want to convert this NFA with epsilon into NFA without epsilon. In order to convert NFA with epsilon to NFA without epsilon, these are the rules which need to be followed. First of all, we need to find all the epsilon transitions from each state from Q, and we call it E closure of Qi. Then we find the delta transition of each state on E closure of that move, and then we keep on repeating this step for each input symbol and for each state, and ultimately the resultant table which we get is for NFA without epsilon. By considering example, all these steps will be clear. Now consider this particular example. In this, first we have initially drawn the transition table. Although transition table does not serve any purpose as such, but the only benefit which we get is that we get a clear picture where A and B along with epsilon transition are taking place corresponding to all the states. Next, the first step is find the E closure of all states. What is E closure? E closure of a state will include the state for which E closure is being calculated. That means, say for example, I am computing E closure of A, it will include A. If I am calculating E closure of state B, it will include B. Along with that, all the states it can traverse only on epsilon move, as we considered in Thompson's and subset construction. Now, if I want to calculate E closure of A, it will start with A. A will itself be included. From A, we can move to B on epsilon move. Then from B, we can move to C on epsilon move, and further from C to D on epsilon move. So, E closure of A will include all these four states A, B, C and D. A is the state for which considering the E closure. So, A will itself be included. Along with that, all the transition paths which can be covered only on epsilon move. Next, we move to E closure of B. E closure of B will include B. Along with it, it will include state C and D. When we talk about E closure of C will include C and D. As far as D is concerned, since there is no epsilon move from D to any other state, so we will have only the state itself, that is D. So we have found the E closure of all the four states A, B, C and D. Next, we come to generation of delta transition. First, to start with, initially we will have A comma A. That means we are basically considering E closure of A comma A. What is E closure of A? As per the table, E closure of A is A, B, C and D. So we need to consider transition from A comma A union B comma A union C comma A union D comma A. Now, if we look at the NFA given above, no transition on A from B, there is a transition from A to D. Then from C, there is no transition, and for D is a self loop. So ultimately, we will consider E closure of D, that is BA, since there was a move from B to A to D, and DA since there was a move from D to A on D. So we will have E closure of D only. What is E closure of D? As per the table, E closure of D is capital D. So that means A comma A will include capital D. Likewise, we shift to A comma B. A comma B means transition of E closure A comma B. What is A? A is A, B, C, D. So we will write A comma B union B comma B union C comma B union D comma B. We will try to check transition from A on B. There is a self loop. So this will be A. On B there is no transition. So this will be phi. On C there is a transition. There is a self loop. And likewise on D there is a self loop. So we will have E closure of A, C and D as the output. That is E closure of A, E closure of C and E closure of D. This means that we will have A, B, C, D as the output corresponding to A comma B. Next we move to B comma A. B comma A, E closure of B has B, C, D. So B, C, D comma A, when we check across the NFA, On B we have a move corresponding to A to D, and on C we don't have any move, that is phi, and on D we have a self loop, so this will be E closure of D itself, which is D. Next we come to B comma B, that means E closure of BCD. BCD means B comma B union C comma B union D comma B. B we don't have any move. For C we have a move on B to C itself, and for D we have self loop of D. So this will include E closure of C and D, that means it will have CD union D, which is equivalent to CD. So there will be a table entry of CD. Next we move to third state, that is capital C, C comma A, that means E closure of CD comma A. We will check the NFA, C comma A, phi, D comma A, D. So ultimately we will get E closure of D, which is D itself. Next we move to C comma B. In this we identify C comma B, that means E closure of C comma B, which is equivalent to E closure of transition of C on B union transition of D on B. We will check from the NFA. NFA says on C there is a self loop, on B and on D also there is a self loop on B. So we will consider E closure of C union E closure of D. E closure of C is CD, E closure of D is D, and union of both is CD. Hence there will be an entry of CD corresponding to C and B. We are left with the last state, that is DA. D comma A, that means E closure of D only, and when we check D on A there is a self loop, so this will include only D. Next we move to D comma B. Again here we have only E closure of D, self loop of B on D itself, so this will be D only. Now once we get this table corresponding to all the inputs, we draw the NFA without epsilon. Just check, initially we had 3 epsilon move, we don't have any epsilon move. On A comma A we move to D, on A comma B we move to A, B, C, D. A itself, B, a transition from A to C and a transition from A to D. Then from B on A we have D, from B on B we have C and D. So there is a transition from B to C as well as from B to D. Likewise on C we have a transition on D for A, and for B we have 2 transitions, one is a self loop and another is on D. And on D we have self loop of A and B. So this is the final output which we generate. This is the NFA without epsilon corresponding to the NFA which was given in the question. Thanks for watching.